morning, YouTube family.
Good morning.
We're so glad you joined us today. We are at the Tractor Supply place because I want to look at a few things, and I thought we'd take y'all along with us. Okay, so one of our subscribers mentioned basil, and I completely forgot to get basil. All right, so I'm looking. That's sweet peppers. So, all right, we're not looking for any of that. So I'm looking for basil. Oh wow. Look at these, how nice. This isn't bad. A bag of onions for $2.99. Sweet onions, $2.99. Here's red onions for $2.99. That's not bad. We're just not ready for them yet, huh, love? Oh, wow. That's cute. How much is it?
$20.
$20. Leon picked this out, and I'm going to get this for my seeds. Yes, I am. As I was looking right here, and look, somebody stuck a spider in there. Scared me to death. Alright, so I'm looking for a herb. Something to plant my herbs in. I don't think you could use this. It's the rocking chairs we bought. Not too satisfied with them. Here's some planters. I'm looking for a herb. That brown herb 3-tier thing that I saw. I thought I saw it here. There it is. Right here. So that's what I was talking about. You guys, this is what I was looking for. It's a 3-tier vertical garden. And I was thinking that I can plant my herbs in this. So it is $79.99. So it is a little expensive, love. Look how pretty. I think that looks kind of expensive, but I mean, they are made of glass. I need some hummingbird feed. $8.99. So I'm gonna get this hummingbird. We have cedar at home, and Leon said he can build that. So he's going to take measurements. He's gonna build me one. Okay, so this is glass right here. I have one similar to it at home. So it's $12.99. I'm going to grab another one of these for the porch. Okay, so this is all we have, and we needed a new hose, so.
Hummingbird feeder, another one. You buy them every year. What's wrong with that?
Well, I bought 2 hummingbird feeders last year. One, they would not have anything to do with it. It was an old cheap one. But my glass one, they came to it, so that's why a little bit. $229.97. We are paying the electric bill. So our electric bill was $365 last month, and it went down. So we are very happy about that. I've been kind of going around making sure there ain't nothing plugged that doesn't need to be plugged. So I think we're gonna go get a hamburger right now, and then go to the co-op.
Deep in the shadows, I know it's hard to put one foot in front of the other. So far as the echo, where do we start? You can learn to discover a million stars. Here in the shadows, I know you're scared.
It's our favorite place. Y'all, this is my favorite place. I think y'all already knew that. Okay, let's go see if we can find some herbs. Let me go over here. I just love the smell of this place. Alright, I'm going to the back to see if we can find some herbs. Y'all, here's the regular mouth ball jars. $8.99, and it has 12 lids and bands. Here's just the bands. There is 12 lids, 12 bands for $4.99. I think I'm gonna get 3 of these because we're fixing to start canning. So I'm not sure about the prices of these, but I know we're fixing to start canning, and you can only use these. You can only use the bands. You can only use the bands twice when you're pressure canning, and you have to change them out. You can still use them to water bath can and to store things, but you have to change them out. So when you're pressure canning, you need these. Here, let's see if they have any ball jars. Yeah, they do. Here's some. Okay, so they have the quart, and then they have the small. That's all they have. So these wind chimes. Okay, finally made it to the garden section. So here is all of the seeds. Black-eyed peas, these are what you plant. Okay, so this is the outside section. So let's see if we can find some herbs. So here's dill. That's dill. Basil. Yay! I found some basil. I don't know how much it is. Here's some sage. So I've got some basil and some sage. Okay, so here's some rosemary. So I'm gonna grab some rosemary. Here's the Greek oregano. I have some of that. I might grab some more. I'm not sure. Here's the parsley. Let me grab some parsley. Okay, so these are tomatoes. I don't know if I should get some now. I don't have my raised bed done yet. I have seeds, but I want to get some already started. I don't have the raised beds up yet. Leon is going to be working on that. Oh, that's okay. Someone was talking to me. Anyway, so I just don't think that I should get the tomatoes and all now. I'm not quite sure. I'll have to ask Leon, but this is all the herbs they have, so I may grab some more basil. Look at the collards. This is the Georgia collard. I want to get collards so bad, but I just can't. I don't have nowhere to plant them. Here's the cabbage right there. Wow, so pretty. You guys, I want this hanging plant right here. So I hung it right there on the buggy. You guys, I didn't even know they had this back here. Look at all of this. I've never been this far back. This is like heaven. So pretty. Look at this. This is an English ivy. It would look so pretty in the sunroom. Okay, so I had to get a purple one too. So I got a purple one and a pink one. They have chickens here. They were out at Tractor Supply. Look how cute. My little chickens. It's okay, little chickens. There's only 2 in here. Is this a good section? It's where you get all your cast iron. And this is where I get a lot of my seasoning. And then this is where we got our dehydrator. So I got a dehydrator like this right here. So, y'all, here's the liquid ivermectin. $29.99 for the liquid ivermectin. Ivermectin. Yeah, it's so pretty.
Sit down, Bonnie. Sit.
Okay, so now that I'm home, I'm gonna do my bird feeders. This is the new one. I'm gonna go get the old one off the porch. I have to clean my old bird feeder up, so you have to wash it out real good with soap and water. So let me get this guy. I think I have an old video when we first moved here. We had like 30 hummingbirds that would come on our porch. And then it kind of dwindled down. So I'm hoping that they'll come this year. I love to sit and watch hummingbirds. So you also have to wash out the feeder thing as well. I have 3 tablespoons. I have a funnel, but I'm going to see if I can do it this way. 1, 2, 1, 3. Fill it up with water. Get it all stirred up. Put the lid on it and go hang it up. So I actually need a hook. I had to get Leon to get it. Okay, so there and one there. Okay, for now, Leon went and got me this from around the back. I'm gonna plant the herbs in here until Leon builds that tier thing. So this one is the parsley. It's just temporary, okay, you guys? This one is the rosemary. Garden sage, right here. And on this side is the basil. Basil. So I may have to put this in something else. So let me see. I might be able to fit a couple of these in here. There's 2. I didn't know they tore. Only thing I've ever planted was flowers, you guys. This is my first time planting herbs. I've planted flowers all my life, so I assume that it's the same. I'm not sure. There, so I actually need more. Alright, so I got more soil. going to keep these pots for seedlings. I set them right there. They're fine. I'm going to give them a little water. Use my new spray thing. So there's where we hung the flowers. They're so pretty. So pretty. And this is a wind chime right here. This wind chime right here says, faith is being sure of what we hope for and certain of what we do not see. That's what it says. Okay, so I put my caps right there in that drawer on the baker's rack. And if y'all remember, I stored all of my seeds up here. So let me get them. I think. Last but not least, my seeds. So we're just going to go over a few of them and then I'll end the video. And as we go through the seeds, maybe we'll do a little talking. Alright, let me put you down a little bit. I am so glad that Leon found this seed container. It is so cute. I'm going to file the seeds in there. So, let's see. Maybe y'all can see like that. Alright, so here are my seeds, and I've been saving them for many years. Some are new, some are not. But what I'm going to do is file them in the seed tray like this. And I may even put cardboard in between them and label them. So, but for now, this will work. So I have some peppers and cucumbers. And you guys, I had to make me a cup of coffee. Kind of worried about the borders being open. I know it's been a while. But I'm kind of not worried, okay? But I just know there could be a threat of terrorism, you know. You remember 9/11? I remember the day the very day I was when 9/11 struck. And my sister owned a store, my older sister, not Donna, my older sister owned a store in Livingston, Louisiana. And it was a rather big store, and I was kind of like an assistant. And so when 9/11 happened, we found out we were in the store and we started crying. And here's some peppers, you guys. So I haven't been really watching the news a lot lately. I do every day, but not as much. Cucumber. Because it's so I try to dig into other things, you know. Prep, absolutely. And this is prepping. Maybe not the flowers and all that. Whatever you do, or whatever you can do, you have to find ways to do things that you enjoy. And not only sitting around moping, you know, and sometimes I find myself worrying over things, news and things like that I cannot control. I don't worry myself to death. Do not get me wrong, okay? My God is looking out for us and looking out for you as well. But, you know, open borders is a concern. It is a very big concern. Here is some, it's a bean. It's a long green bean. Pumpkin. And of course we have tomatoes of all kinds. Here is a pea. Maybe I'll start some seedlings. I think I'm going to buy the plants already started since I'm going to get a late start. But I think I'm going to get a grow light and start some seeds in the sunroom. So here's some lettuce for the fall. And this is some Cherokee wax beans. That's a garden bean. Squash. Of course, we have watermelon. Lots of watermelon. Another kind of squash. So, start you a garden, you guys. Plant you a tree. You know, if you can't plant 8, plant 2. Try to plant 2. Get you some herbs. It is so joyful to do it. I mean, I am really enjoying myself. I told Leon it makes me want to cook more. And he is happy about that. Because you can go out on the porch and you can grab you some herbs, some fresh herbs. I've got plenty of seasoning. I have seasonings for years, but there's nothing like fresh seasoning. So, and then I have the seeds in the bags. And then, of course, the ones that you've seen already at that store. And then I have popcorn kernel seeds. I have more seeds in here. Oh, okay. So, I have carrots. Here's some more carrots. And then I have seeds that I saved myself. Here are some seeds, black-eyed peas that I saved. Purple hull peas, I'm sorry. So I'm going to line them up just like a file. Probably put some cardboard in between so I can make sure what, they are. And I have a whole lot more in here to get in there. So I have quite a ways to go. And I just wanted to show you this, and Leon picked it out. I think it is so cute. So handy, and it's something that you can leave out because it's a dark place, so you can leave it out and use this as decoration for a country home. Well, I enjoyed myself today, you guys, and let's just continue to pray for the world, pray for our country. Yes, pray for the president and the government. I know that's hard to do, trust me, but it's for our benefit, trust me. They're in the office, and everything that happens, God knows everything that happens, okay? Nothing happens and it surprises God. So he either orchestrates something to happen or he allows it to happen. And it's all for his purpose. But just know that he works everything out for the good of his children. I believe that with all my heart. So I'm just going to continue to pray. I'm going to try not to worry about it. Thank y'all so much for going with us today and spending the day with us. We had a wonderful time. We love you, YouTube family. Each one of you is so special to us. Leon and I adore your messages. We laugh. Some of them make me tear up. But all your encouraging words are so precious to us. And until next time, we will see y'all on the next video. Bye, guys.